After over a decade of rumors about Apple creating a VR headset, on February 2nd, 2024, the Apple Vision Pro was released. And after 1 full year of using the headset and making content about it every week, it's time to talk about my thoughts about this headset's controversial first year, and if I recommend it to the average VR consumer. To begin with, I've been in the VR sphere since the HTC Vive in 2016, and it's an understatement to say that the market has exploded in these 9 years. Many companies that you would have never expected to see in this space entered, such as Sony, Apple, and even Nintendo with whatever their short-lived Nintendo Labo was. The vision for VR has varied among these companies. Sony has their headset for gaming, Meta for gaming and productivity, and Apple exclusively for productivity. The Vision Pro as of now has no controllers, and therefore few VR games to play. It's designed for working in VR, which it does well thanks to the phenomenal eye and hand tracking, high-res OLED displays, and powerful chip. The Vision Pro works great for video editing in DaVinci Resolve because I can easily connect my peripherals over Bluetooth, bring some Safari tabs beside it, and work without having to worry about RAM or performance. High demanding apps work well thanks to the M2 chip and 16GB of RAM. Before the Vision Pro came out, I had the Meta Quest, and it wasn't a headset I would have wanted to work on because of the subpar pass-through tracking, buggy UI, and lack of video editing apps. Thanks to the Vision Pro, many changes have been made to improve the Quest pass-through and abilities, but not enough for me. While a great headset, I'm still annoyed by the Vision Pro's weight, lack of big updates, and FOV. While some people I know don't have any issues wearing the headset for long periods, I generally have to tap out after the 1 to 2 hour mark. Unlike the Quest, the Vision Pro doesn't have frequent big updates, other than what they announced at WWDC in June. The last environment was way back in July, so for most of the year, I'm just left twiddling my thumbs and waiting for something cool, like ultra-wide displays. FOV is an issue for me on most recent headsets, but it's even more of a shame on the Vision Pro because of how beautiful the environments look. The most important thing I can say about the Vision Pro is that for 90% of VR consumers and people curious about VR, the Vision Pro is not for them. For you who's watching this video, it's probably not for you. It's $3,500, and there are way more fitting headsets for the masses like the Quest 3 or PSVR 2. However, for power users who want to experience the current best of what VR offers, the Vision Pro with its almost 4K OLED displays, amazing eye tracking, and mostly bug-free user experience is for you. I think the Vision series could be very promising if Apple plays their cards right by releasing a light version with a heavily reduced price, resolves some of its issues, and allows for VR gaming with controllers like the PSVR 2's ones. Time will tell if Apple can pull it off, but as of right now, I still enjoy using my headset. Anyways, that's all for today, but make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed, and take care.